Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. At first, open your Google Docs document. Now from the top menu, click on Insert. Then scroll down a bit and click on Page Numbers. And then click on More Options. Now here you will see a few layout options like numbers in the header or footer, and then you can start numbering from a specific page or skip the past page. Choose the one you prefer and then click on Apply, and there you have it. Now you can see your page number here. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.